The wireless operators and their contractors have a real challenge. They've got to significantly increase bandwidth on their networks, and that means they've got to develop more cell sites in less time at lower cost than they've ever done.
They need to continually upgrade the networks in order to deliver on all of those fronts. Part of the challenge with that, though, is there is a very un-high-tech part of the network called real estate, where you need a plot of land or a piece of rooftop in order to put each one of their antennas.
And what we're in the business of doing is trying to greatly accelerate the speed at which sites can be negotiated, renegotiated, permitted, constructed, get them up and get them on air a whole lot faster. We're, in a sense, real estate experts for the wireless industry.
One of the major problems within the customer's organizations is data and data management and data visibility. You have to have good data, it has to be real data, and it has to be accessible easily. We started feeling like we couldn't do that with the tools we had, and essentially we got to blow the old model up and create a new model.
So about 3 years ago, we said, okay, we're going to build our own system.
The unique thing about LiveTrack is that about 80% of all projects are exactly the same, but that last 20% needs to be tailored or customized. And a lot of the software out of the box doesn't allow you to customize very much, doesn't have the flexibility.
Part of the reason we built flexibility into the workflow is because at the end of the day, it really needs to match what they're doing. If you have 1,000 regions and they all want to do it differently, our system will still allow them each to do it what is the most sensible way to do it for them, but still be able to capture the reporting information so you can get a global view of what's happening.
We develop a process flow for every single project. Then we go into LiveTrack, and that becomes the process flow for that particular project. It's customizable, it's flexible for customers, for projects, for different needs.
As soon as we started to switch people over to the new system, there was immediately a very positive response because we had all the configurability we needed. It was a system built specifically for this industry, and it also aligned with what the customers were asking for in terms of getting reporting so that they could get updates on what's actually happening.
And so what LiveTrack does is essentially creates a simple tool that allows incredible collaboration and real-time information transfer. As LiveTrack allows people to be siloed in specialty areas where they are highly effective, but not truly be independent of the other team, because LiveTrack's pulling everybody together and creating this collaborative process.
Once the customers get over the understandable concern about introducing a new piece of software, they always get very excited very quickly because they see the configurability and they see the ability to make changes if they need to. And they also begin getting immediate feedback on what's happening, and they're starting to get that feedback in real time, which is something that's never occurred before.
We consider using a spreadsheet to track your deployment, kind of like driving by looking in the rearview mirror. You're looking backwards while you're trying to go forwards, and you see a lot of history, but you don't see a lot of what's coming down the pipe, and you don't see the problems until it's too late. LiveTrack enables you to look forward, through the windshield, driving forward. You see all the problems way sooner, and you can proactively address that problem way before it becomes a major issue.